throughout my life, spanning different contexts, educational paths, and careers, and engaging with people in communities, governments, businesses, churches, and educational spaces, one truth has stood out: music is a universal force. No matter how diverse people are in their beliefs, cultures, religions, politics, or worldviews, music consistently emerges as the common denominator. It bridges divides, creating a level playing field where everyone, from the young to the old, can come together in harmony. 1. Music and connection in the Pacific. This truth is especially evident in the traditions of Pacific peoples, where music and community rituals like the kava circle play a vital role in fostering unity. Across the Pacific Islands, gatherings around the kava bowl are sacred moments of connection, storytelling, and cultural celebration. In these spaces, people put aside differences to drink, share, and sing together. Music amplifies these gatherings, creating an atmosphere of peace and shared humanity. Growing up in Tonga, I saw firsthand how music intertwined with rituals like the kava circle could unite people, transform lives, and heal divisions. Whether it was the gentle strumming of a ukulele or powerful harmonies echoing through the evening air, music brought everyone, young and old, rich and poor, to a common ground. These experiences deeply shaped my understanding of music's power as a force for unity. 2. My personal journey with music. My relationship with music began as a young boy in Tonga. Inspired by a world-renowned Tongan ukulele player, I picked up the ukulele in my junior high school years. Later, in my senior years, I transitioned to the guitar. Since then, music has been a faithful companion through life's highs and lows. It has offered solace during difficult times and amplified the joy of celebrations. In every community I've been part of, whether church gatherings, family events, or social groups, music has consistently proven its ability to connect people. It creates a sacred space where differences fade, and we meet as equals. I've witnessed its power to unite hearts and minds, making it a tool for healing and transformation. 3. Music's role in history and humanity's story. Music's transformative power is not unique to my experiences, it resonates across cultures and history. One powerful example is the Christmas truce of 1914 during World War I. In the midst of brutal conflict, soldiers on opposing sides laid down their weapons, stepped into no man's land, and sang carols together. For a brief moment, music transcended war, reminding everyone of their shared humanity and the universal longing for peace. Great thinkers have also recognized music's divine essence. Plato said, "Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything." Beethoven famously believed that music can change the world. These sentiments affirm what I have witnessed. Music has a unique ability to elevate the spirit, bridge divides, and inspire action. 4. A universal force for healing and change. Music has consistently been used as a tool for healing, storytelling, and awakening. From ancient chants that bound communities together to modern anthems that inspire global movements, music remains a sacred medium for connection and transformation. At Edrienia Extrasensory Elevation, we believe deeply in the power of music to harmonize humanity. Music transcends barriers, reaching hearts in ways that words alone cannot. Imagine a song composed to advocate for peace, a universal anthem to end all wars. Such a creation could resonate globally, inspiring hope, unity, and action on an unprecedented scale. The way forward. In a world where traditional approaches to resolving conflicts and bridging divides often fall short, music offers a better path. It bypasses the complexities of language, ideology, and politics, speaking directly to the soul. Through its vibrations, it heals wounds, unites people, and uplifts humanity. The traditions of the Pacific, where kava, music, and song create bonds of unity, remind us of music's sacred role in connecting us all. Let us draw from these timeless practices and embrace music as a force for meaningful and lasting change. At Edrienia Extrasensory Elevation, we invite you to join this journey. Together, let's harness the transformative power of music to create melodies of peace, harmony, and love that echo across generations. Blessings. Semi.